Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a full LED conversion on this 2021 Ram 1500. This is the new Longhorn. And then, thanks for Auxito to actually send out their full LED conversion kit. So like that also includes our low beams, our high beams, our fog lamps. So these are our high beams and these are low beams. And then these are our reverse lighting. And then they even sent out our interior dome lighting for the door panels. And then also the fog lights. To get started, we're going to first just twist this watertight cap. Fold down. Okay, so this is our watertight cap. You do have to remove this first. And now put your hand in there and now just twist it. And here you go, your old bulb comes out. We're going to unplug this. And once again, this was just the standard halogen style bulb. There you go. This one comes out. We do get a really nice pair of gloves in here. Also some zip ties. And then also an adjust tool to adjust these bulbs. So these are 17,000 lumens per pair. So both of these combined are 17,000. And we do have a fan here to keep them cool. And so these like beams can actually be adjusted using the hex key that comes with the kit. So like over here is actually the chip. And this is actually like supposed to be in the direction of the reflectors inside of your light. So how do we do that is you come over here and you just like unscrew this, and now you can actually rotate this entire sub assembly in the position you want it to be, and after that you can just tighten this up. So that is what we're gonna do right now, so we can actually like have this perfectly dialed in, so that these are actually like coming at a 90-degree to the side of the reflector. So if you actually install this wrong, the beam pattern won't be right. It'll just be scattered all over. So here, right over here, as you can see, the reflectors are actually facing up and down. So this is actually supposed to be like this inside, so that we do get this a perfect beam. So if you install it like this or this, it won't be perfect. So that is why you do have to adjust. So now what we're gonna do is just gonna come over here, plug this in to the same connector where you unplugged our previous bulb, and we're just gonna push it in until we hear a click. And now we're just gonna install this and see if our pattern is right. If not, we're just gonna adjust this real quick. So here on the front, on both sides, we got both of these in. And now, so unfortunately, the truck we have, it like did had an accident. So we only have the fog lamp on one side. So we're just gonna plug this in on this side and just like leave the other side how it is without a fog lamp. This is our connector for our fog lamps. And these are the H9, A and H11. This should work perfectly fine. Just bring them over here, and there you go. You hear that click, and we're gonna close this lock, and that's it. So that's good to go. We're gonna twist this in. So here for our third brake lights, we are going to be using these Auxito ones, and these are white LED for your reverse lighting, and also they do have a built-in fan, which kind of looks like an engine turbine to actually cool them down. So this is probably the easiest one from all of these. All you have to do is just remove these 4 hex screws that we have here, and it should be good to go. So here you go. I have this entire sub-assembly dropped. You can either unplug this if you want to. It's just way easier for you to. So here I just have this unplugged, and let me show you how you can just swap out those reverse lights in here, and then also your bed lighting. So these are actually locked into place. So all I have to do is just twist these. So before you twist them, just do pull this little cable here. So because they're actually lodged inside of this and they're easier to remove. So here you go. We're gonna still keep the seal in there and just pull this out. And this is just really simple. And the same thing goes here. You're gonna come over here, do this, remove these like this, and also twist this. And now we're gonna install our new ones in. Just bring them over, like kind of really doesn't matter what side it is. I'm just gonna bring this in and push it in, and you will hear the click. It means it locks in. Now come over here and just find where it's supposed to go and twist it. And we're just gonna tuck these cables the way they were. And same thing on this side. And there you go. We're all done. Just plug this back in and then put these 4 hex screws in and we're good to go. Now the other thing I really like to mention is these do have a seal on it. So like once you're putting this back in, don't forget to add the seal. Otherwise this will actually like leak right into your headliner, which is not a good thing. So we have everything installed. Come over here, plug this in. Once again, you'll hear this click and it means we're good to go. This is what we're looking at, and then also we do have the lamp also on, so that's kind of also making a difference as well. Okay guys, so here right now I have our bed light turned on, and look at this. It's so much better than before. And then also sorry if the footage is not that great because my original camera, there was an issue going on, so I'm actually using my action camera, which is actually not that great at night. But here you go. I'm gonna actually like turn off the bed light just to show you how it is. So we're gonna turn. There you go. Now it's turned off. As you can see, a massive difference with this one on. And here is our front. Regular low beams are turned on, and a massive difference compared how we had it before with our stock halogen bulbs. And now I'm going to actually turn on our high beams and show you the high beams. And then on this side, our like fog lamp is also turned on. Because of the fog lamp, you can actually see a massive difference on the other side. But as I did mention before, the fog lamp is actually not working on this side. So now I'm going to turn on the high beams to show you how the high beams are going. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the high beams. So these are regular and these are the high beams. As you can see, the pattern is going all the way down there. And now, as I did mention before, this like fog lamp does make a really big difference right over here. For all the performance that we're getting out of these bulbs, it's just really good, and I would like highly recommend this to anyone. If you like have like a RAM and you do want to do like a full LED conversion, this is the best option to go. And and then also the link will be down below in the description, so please do go check that out. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please do like, subscribe.